At IFF, we believe in doing more good for people and our planet. Our commitment is to embed ESG and sustainability in everything that we do. By 2030, our goal is to have 100% renewable electricity at all of our manufacturing facility sites globally, and that is how we do more good for our planet. For example, our Union Beach facility is powered by a solar field capable of producing over 9,000 megawatt hours annually. That's enough to power over 1,000 homes. We are rapidly expanding our renewable electricity strategy to meet our target in 2030. In 2022, we executed our first ever virtual power purchase agreement. This agreement will allow the development of a new solar field, which will be completed in 2024. Our agreement will deliver over 300,000 megawatt hours of renewable electricity annually. Together, we can do more good with innovative technologies such as our laundry and dish enzymes. These enzymes will improve product cleaning performance that conserve both energy and water, and will help our customers meet their sustainability and ESG goals. From embracing renewable electricity at all of our global manufacturing facilities to the creation of our eco-friendly products, we are committed to helping everyone reach net zero. At IFF, we believe that together we can do more good.